Hey friends, this is Ken from Balanced Body, here to talk to you about Clean Air Month, May. At Balanced Body, we're focused on keeping the air clean and keeping the atmosphere clean. So what we do to make sure that happens is we make sure that all the dust that we create at Balanced Body, and since we do make a lot of dust, you know we make a lot of wood products, we suck that dust out and it goes through this giant machine, which is like a 52-foot Dyson vacuum cleaner. It works exactly like one, but it sucks the air out of the whole wood shop. It brings it into that big tunnel, it drops down into that bag house, and it goes into a dumpster. And then we do as much work as we can so that that sawdust gets turned into other products. What happens then is that air that gets sucked out of the wood shop sucks clean air in from the warehouse, and it keeps the air churning through the whole area. So at the end of the day, no dust goes into the atmosphere, it all goes into the bag house, and we keep the shop clean and this air clean.